Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Monica. And today's video is actually a little bit different. I don't really do that much cleaning content on this channel. That kind of stuff will be on a new channel that I'm working on setting up. So I just kind of wanted to give you a little glimpse into things that you might see on my new channel. And also, this is really old footage. My hair is not that long anymore. But I found this footage and I was like, shoot, I don't want it to go to waste. Someone could get some motivation from this. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm doing all this laundry. And I wanted to post this video because this was a lot of laundry. I've been struggling with laundry forever. I just recently got rid of 95% of my clothes after doing all this laundry because I realized a lot of the stuff that I'm folding I don't even necessarily like. I was showing you guys my maternity pants that I'm still wearing because, well, I'm not wearing that pair, but I still wear some of my maternity clothes because of my weight fluctuating and stuff. But I just wanted to share this video with you guys and hope that someone gets some motivation from it. So let's get into it. You'll have to excuse the noise. My boyfriend is reframing or putting a new door in our garage. And anyways, I had to stop because my daughter was getting kind of fussy. She is 2 months old. This is Jalen. Anyways, what I was doing for the laundry, I figured it's a lot faster if you pull out all the underwear and socks, just like throw them into one pile and throw all the towels and stuff into another pile, and then fold the clothes and stuff because they always actually take longer. That way, like, if you fold all the easy stuff first, you're more willing to just leave. Well, if you don't like folding laundry like I do, you're probably going to leave the stuff that takes longer. So start out with the hard stuff and you'll realize there's really not that much sometimes if you have like a combined load. Because I almost have all the clothes folded and I have a huge pile of towels. So that is what I'm doing right now, and I will get back into it when I can. Bear with me.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back.
Okay, don't mind my kids' program in the background. Clothes are folded. I hid my underwear. And I figured might as well disinfect this before we put his clean clothes back in here, and then I'm gonna actually bring him to the couch where we can fold them there. And I'm just gonna spray the rag and just wipe it with the rag. I didn't actually plan on spending this much time on it, but it's actually like got some dust and stuff in the handle part right here. Wasn't expecting that. All right.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't...
Okay, not too bad. Anyways, that way when I put the clothes in there, they don't get contaminated again. With the germs and stuff, because it's that time of year, and just because that's gross. But anyways, I wanted to mention that one thing that we do in this house is we have this little basket right when you come into the laundry room. If you have wet rags or anything that's just kind of like more dingy than just clothes, we put it in here. So like kitchen rags or wet towels for whatever reason, you know, or things that like rags that we used for cleaning, they all go in here because I don't want that mixed in with our clothes. I don't know why it all gets washed, but it just grosses me out.
There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. My soul wanted healing consolation. You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for. Come summer, winter, fall, or spring, no matter what the future brings, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by, by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. We're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by.
Okay, so if you guys are new to my channel, I am a mom of 3. I have my 5-month-old daughter. She was 2 months in this video, but she is currently 5 months old. Her name is Jaylin, and I have a 13-year-old son named Jace, and I have a 18-year-old son named Julian. Yes, all J names. That is my thing. So if you're new here and maybe you have older kids and young babies, I kind of cover all the bases right there. So if you are new, just stick around, and if you subscribe to my new channel, when I finally tell you guys what it is, you can find more mom content of a mother that is, has a newborn and teenagers. Right here, I am just going to switch over my laundry, get the clean clothes out, and I wanted to remind you guys, always clean out the lint trap after every load. You won't have any problems if you do that. If you have a bunch of lint in there, it's going to take longer to dry.
I've been walking on the same shore ever since the time I left you on the dark side with a promise and a rhyme. And everybody else around are beating down on me to leave the only good thing a disaster meant to be. If I was to be on trial for every wrong I did, the courthouse would be filled with people waiting to get rid of the one that ripped their lives apart and shattered all their dreams. They lock me up forever, even throw away the keys, and I wait for the release, hoping to get my freedom back before the world has turned on everything I know. Come, you lovers, and head my way, always looking for a new day. I will fight for my right to be right here where I'm bound to stay. And I wait for the release, hoping to get my freedom back before the world has turned on everything I know. Come, you lovers, and head my way.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye.